Alright, boys and girls, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to it's a food market in London. So, isa to sa mga sikat na food market sa London. It's called Camden Market. So, sikat siya because there are interesting things, interesting food to eat, good food, great finds. It's sakto hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Kakain ako doon. I'll choose healthy food. And sana ako magat yung Gcash ko. Kasi kanina, bumibili ako doon, hindi ko mahagat yung Gcash ko. Hindi lagi. Kasi usually kumahagat naman. But ngayon hindi kumagat. Sige, punta lang ako doon. Siguro take videos. And it's 4 p.m. Maybe I'll stay there for a while, maybe 5 or 5:30 to 5:30. And then I need to go back to Tower Hill para at least may meet ko pa yung tito ko, Kuya Ringo. Okay, sige, I'll see you later. I'll go to Camden Market. Hey. Yeah, we're here in a busy place, sa Camden Market. Yeah, medyo festive. Daming ganap, daming happenings here at Camden Market. But I'm looking for a good place to eat. Mas buhay ito so far. Mas okay yung mas gusto ko yung happenings here kesa sa Borough Market. Kasi dito, ayan, medyo makulay siya. Mas may space, people can walk. And aside from food, there are retails across paligid. And then pupunta ako doon sa Camden Lock. Just across there. And yung sikat na Camden Lock. Kasi dun yung nice food to eat.
There's sauce on
Okay,
it.
having my plate lunch.
There's a spicy sauce.
Right now here sa Camden Market. And I'm having a Thai mix of
Alright.
chicken.
Now you can eat.
Chicken and vegetables. And also
Now you can eat.
strawberry again. So the thing is, you need to start eating the vegetables first so that it will like your blood sugar.
Onion ring?
May pinakikim sa akin na ate itong chicken. Super sarap.
First ever onion ring.
Yeah. Broccoli muna. Kasi vegetable. Both are sikmura.
5 or.
What's your water?
Yeah, eat whatever you want. I don't know. Use things that
Okay. Okay lang yung gulay, pero yung chicken masarap. Gulay mo na. Lahat nyo. So,
他那把给我尝对不对？那还做的蛮
so far, interesting flavor. Yung chicken. Chassis.
Why is it so great?
Mixed oil yung tawag nila here. It's for 12 pounds.
I don't care. You want those.
Nagkaka-problem lang kanina when I'm trying to pay using my card.
Where
Do you know why?
point it and they
Medyo hindi consistent yung Gcash lately.
and there you go. You can make your dissertation be
Pero after several attempts mo, pasok mo yung payment. Nakaya na mo rin dyan.
That is gonna be my dissertation.
Yeah.
And he'd say, yeah, but
Maraming okay na masarap pero habang tinitingnan ko, na oil lang. So waiting. I'd rather eat healthy. Because tomorrow I'll buy
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'm going to buy naman. Sausage for my wife.
Yeah, I'll go there.
Hindi ko siya tomorrow so before we head to Scotland.
You were like done.
I saw it.
Yeah. So I get
Still 5:30.
He's like, yeah.
I need to leave by 6 p.m. Diba?
It's crazy.
Ito yung meron mo kay uncle in our film. Yun. Yeah, so far okay naman. But seems pressure. So kung so yung Camden Market, it's a mix talaga siya of food and ayun. Food and what they call this? Mga shops, silverwares. Ito yung popular spot here sa Camden Market. So waitin yung Camden Lock stairs. Yan, sikat na Camden Lock so marami pa doon. Pwede nyo siyang ikutin if you want. So far, at least nakakain na ako. Personally, I need to go back to Tower of London. Tower Hill. To go back to Tower Hill to meet my uncle. So, balik ako ng underground. Balik ako ng tube. And then from tube, there's tube.
I raise myself, had to wind my way. Sail.
Nangingisa ng pera para may pang-inom. Ngayon, no? Parang last week lang, pinapanood ko lang sa YouTube itong itong eksenang to. Pinapanood ko lang itong Camden Market. Right now, I'm here. Pais na nga ako eh. So, babalikan ko siya next time to explore other places. Pero, ang napansin ko lang here sa Camden Market, pare-pareho yung stores. Pare-pareho yung tinitinda.
Like these months such a
Same eh, ganun siya. Mga Class B or mga hindi original. Madaming ganun dito. Dami lang doon. Eh, hindi ako fan ng ganun. So, ngayon. Yeah, if I were to choose, so if I were to choose between the two, mas gusto ko yung quality ng food sa Borough Market. Iba yung pagka-premium niya. Iba yung yung masarap yung food niya. Interesting yung food options. Dito kasi namin pare-pareho eh. Na parang, okay, may tinda lang. Ganun na. Pero sa Borough Market, as in talagang interesting yung food options. Dito talaga, pare-pareho. And, ayun. Mas parang divisoria dito. Kesa food haven. Yeah, yun ang observation ko. Pero it's really up to you if you want to. Anong preference mo? I think mas cheaper ang food options here. Kasi gaya yung kinain ko, 12 pounds. Pero ang dami na yun. Mix and match na ulam yan. Tapos yung isa, yung strawberries na mas okay doon sa Borough Market, yung quality ng strawberries. Talagang mas masarap din. Dito parang, ewan eh. Yung chocolate, medyo oil, may konting oil. Yun lang yung napansin ko. But anyway, sige, tomorrow I'll go back to Borough Market. Siguro para mas intense or mas maganda yung panoorin, mas maganda yung vlog ko kasi kahapon nagmamadali kami dahil may lakad. Pero yun, that's what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll back to Borough Market. Tatry naman natin yung sausage roll na yun. Interested ako dun sa sausage roll sa Tottenham kasi sila yung gumagawa. Anyway, need to go back. Lumalamig na rin. At ayun, I need to meet up with my tito pa. Medyo malayo-layo ito. Okay, sige, later ulit.